Let's start our course physics for undergraduate program, the electromagnetism. Okay, we first introduction the charge, basically electric charge. Oh, wait a minute. We start today's class for the introduction, like electric charge. Okay, like in the previous classes, it's a like basic definition of electric charge, but as we move from the higher the study, they totally change the definition of electric charges. We totally view the another like viewpoint for electromagnetism, like as we study in the 11th and 12th grade. It was a like a we view the electromagnetism in the different way, and but as we move from the higher studies, our viewpoint is completely changed. But now for the basic introduction, but we know that electric charge, I'm not going to the history like the Embers silicon experiment. Okay, we know like electric charge is a positive, B has a negative, so so we know that the like charges repel, the unlike charges attract, and it was why this was happen, like the matter, the antimatter, and what is the basically why this wasn't happen, as we basically the electric charge, the whole concept when we move through the quantum mechanics and it was a clear why this is positive negative by the Franklin, but about the nature, the positive, the negative charge, the attraction, repulsion, and the matter antimatter, overall was the viewpoint from the quantum theory. So this was the things which we know as previous classes, like charges, and the unit of charges is basically E. It was the magnitude of the positive and the negative charges, like in proton and electron has the same mass, so it was the basically the magnitude, can we say this is the basic unit. Okay, we know like a quantization of charge, the quantization like Q is like a Q which is Ne plus of minus, like the charge is always in the form of integer, not in the fractional. We know the quarks, and this is the all over definition we know in the previous classes, and also the conservation of charge, the conservations of charge. Okay, this is the all things we know in the previous classes, but as we move to the further, we are going through the electromagnetism in the whole new way. Okay, this is the introduction, and next class we will discuss the next part from our discussion. Okay, I hope you understand what was the basic electric charge, but whole concept is different from the viewpoint. Okay, I hope you understand. Bye bye.